imagine. Out there hustling, it's tough. LA is tough. The wholesale market is crazy. I went to see a house yesterday, $699. Literally, it wasn't even a couple of things I thought was really interesting. It wasn't even an open house. It was like you had to go with an agent, and you had to go through MLS and be signed up, registered with your agent to see the house, which I found. I think that whole NAR thing is starting to kick in.
That's exactly why. That's
and
open houses may be going away.
Yes, 100%. I believe that to be true.
Open houses may go away.
Open houses
may go away.
But that being said, it was $699 total fixer, not in like a super high-end area, like maybe moderate. We went with an agent, although because she brought us the property, we literally within minutes after we left, she texted us saying they're already at $80,000 over asking. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's beyond ridiculous what's happening right now in the market. It doesn't make any sense to me. These houses clearly shouldn't be selling for what they're selling for. But that being said, going back to the whole NAR thing, I did learn something. A friend of mine invited me to her office meeting. I'm with EXP, so we don't have office meetings. They do up online stuff, but I just don't have the patience or the time. But I went to my friend's meeting at Rodeo, and the guy who owns Rodeo comes to their meetings, and he was going over the NAR thing. And it's really, really interesting. Now, like, honestly, you cannot walk into an open house without a broker, which is why the open houses are probably going away. If you walk in without a broker, you have to sign right there on the line either a non-exclusive or exclusive agreement with the person who's sitting on the house. So if the person is not you and it's your listing, that person is now getting all your clients. So it's to me, it's going to change. I mean, I haven't been doing this long enough to know, but I realize that this is definitely a huge change that is coming. And it doesn't go into effect till August 18th, but it's already starting now.